Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use pigments on models. First, gather your materials, including various pigment colors, soft brushes, and a suitable model. Pigments are fantastic for adding a touch of realism, simulating natural elements like dust, mud, or rust. Understanding their basic properties is key to achieving convincing results on your miniature scenes and figures. Let's dive into the application methods. Applying pigments dry is a common and effective method for subtle effects. Take a soft brush, pick up just a little pigment, and gently tap it onto the areas you want to weather. Think about where dust or dirt would naturally accumulate. After application, use a separate, clean brush to blend the pigment smoothly and remove any heavy deposits, ensuring a natural transition. This technique is perfect for light dust layers. For more durable or intense effects, mixing pigments with a fixer is ideal. Combine a small amount of pigment with a few drops of fixer to create a thin, paint-like wash. Apply this mixture into panel lines, around rivets, or over textured surfaces to enhance shadows and grime. The fixer binds the pigment, making it more permanent. Ensure it's fully dry, which might take several minutes before proceeding with your model. To achieve truly dynamic weathering, try layering different pigment colors. For example, apply a base of dark earth, then add lighter dust tones on top. Once you are satisfied with your pigment work, it's crucial to seal it. A matte varnish or dedicated pigment sealer will prevent the pigments from rubbing off. Always practice new techniques on a spare model or piece of plastic first to build confidence and refine your skills.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.